everyone, this is Swati Singh from Lakshmi Institute of Management. Today I'll be discussing about my summer internship project. My topic for summer internship project was inventory management at Tata Motors. As we all know, our respected Jamshedji Tata is the founder of Tata Group. Tata Motors Group is a $24.5 billion organization. Tata Motor is a leading automobile manufacturing company. Tata Motors produces cars, buses, trucks, and as well as combats and military equipments. Now let's come up to inventory management. Inventory management is the supervision of non-capitalized goods and the inventory or the stock items. But after my summer internship project, I came to know that inventory management is a vast topic. It cannot be covered very easily. As what I have observed, we can say that inventory management is a flow of goods from the manufacturers to the warehouse and then from these facilities to the point of sale. Inventory management records each and every minute detail regarding the products that are purchased or manufactured. It keeps a record of how many raw materials have come in the company, what percentage of raw materials have actually passed for the production, what would have been the normal loss, the abnormal loss. It have a complete record regarding the products that have been returned back to the suppliers. It also keeps the record of the products that are still in the work in progress, and finally the goods that have been manufactured and converted into finished goods and sent for point of sale. So now I would like to talk regarding some suggestions that I have come across. So the first one would be, as I have observed that Tata Motors has a huge profit when it produces trucks and the construction equipments compared to the passenger cars. So I would prefer that Tata Motors should focus more on the production of trucks rather than focusing on the cars. The second one would be that the company should reduce the percentage of imports that are being done in capitalized goods, machinery, tools, some other tools and spare parts, and take a new initiative and produce them by themselves. The next suggestion is that the company should start some new foreign collaborations for the new technology and also adopt the new technologies as well. The other suggestion is that the companies should start the vehicles using the unconventional fuels like LPG and CNG, usually known as green vehicles. This could be a very good initiative. So, the last suggestion is the concept of cell cost management. It is a control program that is required to record each and every detail regarding the product. It gives you complete information regarding the cost incurred and the profit generated from each and every product individually. So here's the end of the suggestion. Now I would like to conclude. Inventory management is very important for every company, no matter the size of the company. Even if it is a small company, inventory management should be applied. So thank you so much.